Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
I'm Dr. Shyamala, Annavarapu.
author of.
Kaleidoscope, a collection of short stories.
How is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It is a wonderful experience. I have not done it before. I'm
Right.
coming all the way from Hyderabad
Okay,
just to
great.
be at the book fair, and it is really inspiring. And
So something about your book. What about your book stands out in its genre or theme?
well, it is about today's world is a fast-paced world where nobody has time for anything or to think about other
Right.
people or about what is going on in other people's lives.
Right.
So this book is mainly aimed at the ordinary people with their ordinary lives. That is.
But you
what I
yourself
like
as a doctor, how did you find the time to write a book?
now I have retired from active my job actually.
Right.
Although I still see patients,
Right.
but it is not as hectic as it used to be.
Right.
And I am interested in various things.
Okay.
Of course, I enjoyed my profession as much as anything else.
Right.
But also, I mean, life has so much to offer.
Right.
So many things are there which excite me very much, like writing, of course, but reading. Reading
Right.
is what inspires you to write
Right.
something similar.
But do you think like indulging yourself creatively like this, does it act as a stress buster? Do you
Oh yes,
Right.
yes, it does. It is a stress buster,
Right.
and the process of creativity keeps your brain engaged all the
Right.
time. So, which helps a lot in day-to-day activities and your focus on things
Right.
and things like that. So, I have enjoyed the process very much,
Right.
and I intend to keep writing in future also. So, that
That's
has been my
wonderful.
experience with writing.
This has been quite inspiring. Thank you so much for sharing your experience
Thank
with
you,
us.
thank
I
you
hope
so
you have a wonderful book fair, man. Thank you.